Bonjour, I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making a scrumptious classic, Blueberry Muffins. Bursting with flavor, these little guys are perfect to enjoy anytime. So let's get baking. In a large bowl, we'll combine all-purpose flour, baking powder, as well as baking soda, and ground sea salt, just a little. We'll whisk the ingredients until nicely blended and set aside. Next, in a bowl of a stand mixer, we'll add granulated sugar and unsalted butter. Using the paddle attachment, we'll process on medium-high speed until the mixture gets creamy, cleaning the sides and the bottom of the bowl when needed. While the appliance is running, we'll add the eggs, one at a time, mixing well between each addition. To this, we'll add vanilla extract and lemon zest. Of course, we'll mix everything together until well incorporated. We'll now add half of the dry ingredients and also half of the buttermilk. We'll reduce the speed to low and process until just combined before adding the remaining dry ingredients and the remaining buttermilk. We'll process once again until just combined. Don't overmix it. And let's not forget to scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl. That's an important step to do. Now, we'll add our blueberries and gently fold them into the batter. Guys, I have a great tip on how to keep berries longer. So click on the top right corner of your screen to find out. When they're evenly blended, we'll fill the mixture about 3/4 full in a muffin pan lined with paper liners that have been greased with cooking spray. I prefer using an ice cream scoop instead of a regular spoon or a piping bag. It does a great job, it's quicker, and doesn't waste another plastic bag. Plus, it makes portioning more accurate. Next, we'll gently tap the muffin tin on the counter to dislodge any trapped air bubbles and lightly sprinkle the tops with granulated sugar. It gives a nice little crunch to the muffin. We'll transfer them to a 375-degree preheated oven and bake for 27 to 30 minutes. But halfway through baking, we'll rotate the pan. There's always a hotter spot in the oven. And continue cooking until a cake tester inserted in the center comes out clean with just a few crumbs. We'll remove from the heat, allow it to cool in the muffin pan for 10 minutes before unmolding and transferring them on a wire rack to cool completely. This recipe actually makes 15 muffins, not 12. And my friends, these are our blueberry muffins. Incredibly delicious, these guys are always a hit. They're easy to make and great to enjoy with your morning coffee. I hope you give them a try soon. And be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!